sensation.
Okay, here we go. We got
In other words,
Donnie and I are welding on the cowl of the 65 fastback.
physical brain, body. Emotional brain, body. Intellectual brain.
We've also got the
We could say
front
with some
section
degree
to
of
weld
certainty
on.
that these
Going to
people,
remove this piece here. We've already put
if
in
we're
the new
serious in maintaining
firewall.
presence, perception,
Now the cowl. Every piece of sheet metal that had any type of
present and watching,
rust is being
checking to
removed.
see if the things
This
around
car
us
is
we
going to be
experience
the
are actually
cleanest 65 fastback ever rebuilt.
real. That
A lot
behavior
of
will extend into the time
65 fastbacks that were stored years ago. They might
while
have
we're
been
out of
failed.
this in the
Some
dream
of the
state,
gauge and everything.
we'll also be asking these questions.
Rust underneath, which was
Is
not
what I'm
removed
seeing
in 20,
Is it
10,
true?
20 years
Can
later.
I
It's going to
confirm it? Can I
come through
validate
again.
it?
This one's going to be
And then we'll
a car
discover
that has no cancer.
things are not as bad.
Better than original, using better metal,
We may even discover
and also going to be adding some extra
that we're in the journey.
safety.
Because
We may even
we've had a
discover
couple videos, I made a couple videos where we're talking about this car. And you've
the
never
only way to
really
acquire
talked
these
much.
types of
So,
knowledge is to learn
you
to
know, like how long
perceive
we've known each other, what we used to do when we were kids, this
and not assume
Volkswagen,
that what we see is real.
you know,
but to
New
question.
Hampshire,
Yeah.
you know, just talking a couple of
Between the distinction
So
internally.
this hopefully, hey, Donnie got
between
some